To get started, log into your SMART VALOR account and click on Enable Two-Factor Authentication. This is also referred to as 2FA. Here, you'll be prompted to add your SMART VALOR account to your Google Authenticator app. If you don't already have a Google Authenticator app, navigate to the App Store or the Google Play Store to download it. Once you've downloaded the app, click on the plus button to scan the QR code. Once you've scanned the QR code, you'll see your SMART VALOR account added to your Google Authenticator app. Back on SMART VALOR, you'll see a recovery code. This recovery code is important in the case that you misplace your phone or you're not able to access your Google Authenticator app. Store this code in a secure place in the case you ever need it. Click on Next and enter your account password and the special code generated in your Google Authenticator app. Click on Enable, and you're done. Your account is now secured via 2FA.